my god, this is good!
Alright, YouTube, I'm hungry. It's a little chilly outside. And today we're gonna make some breakfast bowls. Not just any breakfast bowls. We're making some brisket breakfast bowls, alright? First thing you're gonna need is your leftover brisket, alright? And I chop it up kind of fine too, alright? You're gonna have some hash browns, alright? I go to Walmart, I buy these, they're 2-pound bags. They're pretty cheap. You know, nothing here I cook is expensive. Gotta have a little bit of onion, you know. Gotta have some eggs in a breakfast bowl. If there were no eggs in there, it'd just be a potato and brisket bowl. I got some cheese, alright? I love me some burnt cheese, alright guys? This is not gonna be enough. My wife said, you know, you're gonna get a bowl of cheese. I want the whole damn bag, so watch what happens with that. Alright, I got my oil for my Blackstone. I got some ranch dressing because you gotta take these bowls, you gotta smother them with ranch dressing. And you know I'm fat. And fat people like honey mustard, alright? Same deal, right? And this is for whatever I don't eat. Alright, so that's what we got. Those are our ingredients. There's the Blackstone. We're gonna start cooking them. And we're gonna start by maybe a shallow fry of these hash browns. Alright, let's go over there. Alright YouTube, I'm starting out. My whole grill is my hot side today to start out with. When I get ready to actually start cooking eggs and stuff, this far side here is going to be my cold side. Alright? And it's only at a medium heat. Alright guys, we're going to start sprinkling our brisket on. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's a secret. Oh my gosh, look. And this brisket is already seasoned, right? That's why I ain't put nothing on the potatoes to season them. Because the brisket will be all our flavor. And this brisket has a lot of fat and juice in it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. Because we're having brisket breakfast bowls, not breakfast brisket bowls, you know. We'll let that sit in there. Look at this soldier's trying to get away. Can't get away from me. You're gonna go into my belly. Alright you guys, check this out. Now that's some cheese, boy. Alright, now all we're gonna do, we're gonna throw that cheese on there. Alright? That cheese is gonna start to melt out real good, and I'm okay with that. That's what it's supposed to do. Alright? Oh yeah. You know, you could use a pizza cutter on this, but we don't got a pizza cutter down here, so we're gonna Alright? You'll see it here in a second. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. Look at that. We're just gonna leave that in there for just a little bit. And now, we got some other stuff we got to cook. Oh my gosh, hold on. Before we do that, just look at that there, boy. Just look at that there. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put this back there where she had it so she doesn't hit me. All right. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be some good food right there. I don't care who you is. All right. There you go. So the last part here is not as exciting if you ask me. I gotta cook me up some egg, all right? Now the egg, it's very important I cook on a cold side. It's not so hot. So I actually have turned down everything just about, right? So now, I'm gonna very gently put it in there, right? It's gonna wanna slide towards the back, and I'm okay with that. I'll stop it before it hits maybe. Maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't. We'll see. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Maybe a little bit got away. All right. That's all right. That's all right. This is the best part about the Blackstone. Listen. Yeah. Who doesn't like that? Yeah, that's the Blackstone. Flipper, let's cut her up again. Yeah, let's see if I can get that little bit in. Yeah, baby. All right. If you have a Blackstone and you're not making this noise, you don't really have a Blackstone. You have a camp chef. All right, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna move this over, but I don't wanna mess up what that cheese looks like, because I want you to see it. Look at that nicely burnt cheese. It's not even really burnt. That's just fried cheese. I should have burnt it, but I didn't. All right, that's what we're working with so far, all right? Now we're just gonna stir all this up. Make it look like it's one piece, like it belongs there. All right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's okay, it'll go. You give it just a little bit of time. Oh my. Look how yummy that looks. Oh my God. Just sit here and play with your food for a little while. Oh, just look at that. Look at that, boy. Everything's on low. This one's actually off. Just look at that food. This is why I'm fat. This is why I'm fat. But I make it look good, all right? The camera adds a lot of weight. So for you guys in the States, I'm 6'7", I'm 365 pounds, right? For you guys overseas, in Mexico and those Latin American countries, I'm like 2 meters, maybe 2 and some change, and about 165 kilograms. Oh, so this food here has got to be able to feed my monstrous self, because I'm hungry all the damn time. I got to keep that love muscle going. All right, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That there, because I put egg in it, is a breakfast bowl. All right, but I got to add the ball. Oh, I gotta add a ball. Hold on. We gotta do this right. Here goes my ball, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. We gotta get that in there, because we're gonna eat a lot of this today. What do we gotta get? All right, I know what I gotta get. Oh my goodness. This part is almost optional. Sissies that don't like ranch dressing. All right, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. This part here, if you don't like this, don't subscribe, because this here is goodness. All right, this here, this honey mustard don't want to come out. There we go. Oh, when it makes that farting noise, it means it's better. Yeah, just look at that. The white balance is probably completely off, but I'm okay with that. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna go eat. You all do what you all do. Oh my God, I can't eat yet. I gotta worry about the rest of these people in my house that wanna eat. All right, so hold on. Where's my pan at? Gosh darn it. There's always a mouth to feed around here. All right, so what I like to do, and I'm just gonna bring it over here. Put my pan right there where you all can see it real nice and good, all right? My food movers, ladies. My food mover, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't have one of these, go find them on Amazon. They're called food movers. Would you just look how fast they work? Just look at how fast that's going. Look at that. All right. Well, I'm gonna clean up the rest of this griddle. Get all this food in that bucket. And you guys go enjoy yourselves. All right, we're leaving. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.